feedback for Razan on WR1. First of all, please take off these first three numbers of your IDs. You need to tab over on the first sentence of each paragraph. And generally, I think you made a mistake about trying to write a new essay in the last minute. You're missing a thesis, so that made this paragraph fail automatically. Things you're missing are like transitions, major spelling errors here for simple words like danger and them, right? These are major spelling errors. So you really need to fix these major things like having a thesis. There's no thesis here, right? So that automatically makes us fail. Look how short this body paragraph is, right? No concluding sentence, lots of spelling mistakes. This really needs some help. You need to organize it like we did in the example in class, where we have our topic sentence, point, support, point, support, point, support, and then concluding sentence. And make sure you include transitions between all of those. This is not a paragraph, right? If this is how you're going to write, I'm pretty sure you're going to fail this class. This is not acceptable. You need examples. You need, just like we did in class. And again, in the end, you're supposed to say, this is okay what you wrote here, but this is just way too short. A lot of spelling mistakes, all these words, spelling mistakes. Use your Microsoft Word to fix these mistakes. Those shouldn't be coming up. Make the changes, upload it into port WR1 week 7.